Hey guys and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have a very special unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Bolivar gold medal. And when I say new, the reason is because there used to be a version of this which was discontinued in 2011. Those were the gold medals, and then they were re-released again in the year 2023 with a new packaging. The key difference between the two cigars is the old gold medals were 42 ring gauge and 6.5 inch in length, whereas the new ones are the same length, 6.5, but with a thicker ring gauge of 48. But the old box was smaller, and I'll show you in a minute. Now this box is the freshest box I have yet to see from Habanos, April 2026, which means they're still rolling, which is nice to hear. It's got the gold dots over here. Let's open the cigars and show you what they look like from the inside. So as you can see, when we open the box, you're greeted with the cigars and this beautiful piece of, it's like 3D. And then if you take out all the wrapping, you'll see the cigars themselves. Now in the old boxes they never had these, because even though they were the same length, the box was smaller. Over here Habano decided to add the piece of cardboard with writing, which is really nice. And there you have the cigars themselves. The cigars are a La Casa de Habano edition cigar, and they come with this beautiful gold wrapper which you are supposed to peel off and just smoke without them. The wrapper color on these is absolutely insane, and I'll put a picture here on the screen of what the old gold medals used to look like. They never had all this engraving over here. This one says Bolivar all the way around, Bolivar, Star, Bolivar. These cigars are absolutely magnificent. Unfortunately, they don't belong to me. They belong to a friend of mine. I was just able to borrow them for the video. But these cigars are not a limited release, but they are definitely not very easy to come by because of obviously the rarity of these cigars and how expensive they are. I mean, the prices for these really range. I know people who buy them in Tenerife for like 280 euros. And here in the UK they sell them for around £900. So the price really depends on availability and where you buy them from. But nonetheless, these cigars are extremely rare. I'll be honest, anyone who I asked about these cigars always told me that the smoking experience is not worth the money. Obviously, unless you get them at €280, which is then it makes sense for the premium. But otherwise, they told me that these are nothing, I would say, special in terms of what they are. I mean, obviously they're Bolivar, they're great, but they're nothing too amazing. But anyway, that's been it for the video. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. There's more exciting and interesting videos, more hauls, more unboxings, more cigar trips, etc. So I will share that with you guys. If you guys can drop a like and share, it will be very helpful for the channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.